G'day guys, it's kind of getting chilly around here. I was supposed to test or do a review about one of my light stands from Ulanzi, and the thing is I just decided to use my Osmo Pocket 3 to test it. It's just a bit chilly, so my voice is going to be like shaking a bit. At the same time, this is not scripted. As you all know, disclaimers, I don't script my vlogs, my videos or everything. I just wing it. And where's the car coming? Fuck. Hey, nice ride. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm just about to start to film myself, and then this car just passed by. I just got uncomfortable. It is revving his car. Anyway, first things first. Again, I just want to tell you guys that this video here is not. He's revving his car now. I don't know what he's doing. Fuck. I think he's doing donuts. What the fuck? Okay, so back to where I was. I'm just here at One Tree Hill right now, and it's getting late. It's around 8:22 p.m. The doors are gonna close at around 9, so I'm just making this quick. Initially, I was planning to do a vlog regarding, or a video regarding the Ulanzi light stands. It's a bit windy also, but just decided to use the Osmo Pocket 3 and see how it goes. If it's good, it's posted. If it's not, I think it's still posted. Anyway, I'm not sponsored anyway with these things that I'm using. I bought it with my own money, and at the same time, I'm just trying to give you a feel of how it is. Currently, it's around 8:20 p.m. and I'm getting a bit chilly. It's a bit gloomy gray here, so it sucks. Here's like the sunset, but it's going down right now, and you can't see it well. But anyway, let's start with the video. What was I gonna say? So yeah, the magnet's in my car. I'm so lazy to put the magnet here, so I'm just gonna clip it underneath. I don't know if it's all just gonna be good, but we'll work around it. So yeah, first things first. Again, this is the Ulanzi light stand that I have, and I'm not in any way or anyhow being sponsored by them. They didn't send this to me. I just got this on my own. This thing is annoying. I can see it. I hate it. But anyway, yeah. So it's a bit chilly also. Fuck. Okay. So like what I said earlier, I don't script my. This thing is even moving because of wind. I need to focus. Yeah. I didn't get this from them. I bought it with my own money, so I'm just telling you how it is and how I like this thing. This is their light stand. It's made of plastic and a bit of aluminum. It's so light, you can easily break them. I only broke one, so yeah, that's it. There's a car behind me. It just passed by. Fuck. Okay. So what I like about this thing is that you see here, you can tilt it up and down, and there's a knob here. The car's gonna pass again. Fuck. Okay. So what I like about this thing is whenever you put something in, like a camera or anything, I'm using the Osmo Action also, and putting it on one of these. I have 3. Anyway, you just put the thing here, and there's a knob where you don't have to turn. If you have a light stand, you have to turn the whole thing around, and with this one, you just have to like rotate this, and the camera is like shaking. I need to go somewhere. Fuck. And this is beginning to go crazy right now. Like, I'm in a hurry because this thing's gonna close anytime soon. But yeah, the camera's shaking and all these cars, whatever. Anyway, let's go back. So this is the light stand, and the thing is, it's made of plastic, half plastic and some aluminum. I like the tilty thing here. You can tighten it and let it tilt down, tilt up, something like that. It has a tilting thing. The lock is so good because it's tightened by like that. You don't have to rotate whatever you need to put here, like for example the light stand that I'm going to show you later. And when you want to lock it, this is the knob to like lock how you get it through. So in order to open it, you just press it here. It's really cold now. Fuck. So you just press it and then open this one up here. So you have the tripod, the tri-legs here, and then from here you can just pull it out. So yeah, this is really cool. Like, it's so light, and you can put your flash if you're doing flash photography with the flash behind. It's light, easy to carry around. You can just chuck in your bag. It's not the strongest, because this one will like, yeah, if it's windy or something, if there's like a heavy thing on top, it's gonna do that. It's gonna like shake like what's happening with my camera right now. Oh my god, it's really shaking. Oh, wind, come on, let me finish this, please. So yeah, you do that. So I'll show you this. So I'm using this, it's really windy, far out. So I'm using this one for this light because this is intended here. If you want to buy like a 40-watt light from Ulanzi, you can add this through and it's good. So all you have to do is just lock it like that. Just rotate this and it gets mounted there. And you can tilt it and tighten it. So that's good. I use it for my Osmo Action 3. I use it for other things like my flash and everything. So let me show you how to how high can this go. So this is how high this thing can go. So yeah, you see this. Oh, I hurt myself. Anyway, so you just put it down. You see. So this is how high, which is because of the wind. Shit. This is how high this could go. But thanks to the wind, it's throwing it, it wobbles a bit. It's a bit annoying with that, but the thing is I use this indoors, so it's fine. And you see it wobbles. And with the wind, it's been blowing it. You can't use it when it's too windy and when you're outdoors. But if you're traveling and you want to use this, it's so useful. And now the camera's like going crazy. So yeah, that was a bit annoying. I tried to track myself and it lost me. So again, this is gonna retract. Why is it not retracting? Fuck. So it can go this high. Bit higher. It can go this high here or this long, and it can go do that. And oh shit, you can keep it also. Now it's getting stuck on me. So this is how you keep. This is how small it is, and it's really getting windy here. So I need to end this video out. So shit, I'm a bit annoyed right now because I really want to make a review of this, but the wind's messing it up. I might redo this video, and you might be a bit annoyed with it because the thing is, yeah, I planned this so well that it's gonna be good, but it's not working. So yeah, I like this thing. It's good for traveling, and for me, I use it only for flash. And then whenever I do videos, I just do minimal lighting, and I want everything to be so light. It's not pricey also. So yeah, one of the things, annoying things is I got one which had a broken thingy here because it's plastic. So I have a feeling if you're on an event, somebody might hit it, somebody might step on it, someone might, or whatever. I haven't tried yet, but if somebody's gonna hit it, it might break that. The good thing is it's not that expensive, and yeah, it's a pretty good thing. Anyway, I need to cut this review and maybe redo it on another day. Good thing that I used the Osmo Pocket, and the thing is it's shaking. It's shaking right now. It's shaking so bad. So yeah, tested it with this weather, which is windy and cold. But anyway, that's what it is. That's how it is. Fuck. Need to redo this video.